A late evening collision at Upper Shillong on the 19th of November 2025 resulted in the death of a scooty rider and left the pillion rider critically injured after their two-wheeler reportedly ploughed into a stationary truck. According to police sources, the incident occurred around 9:30 p.m. at Lat Elephant Falls, 7th Mile, Upper Shillong, when a scooty bearing registration number ML05AG 0862 rammed into a parked truck bearing registration number ML04B 0145. The rider, identified as Durgesh Kumar Rai, 25 years of age, of Maunyangla, succumbed to his injuries at the scene. The pillion rider, Habit Sangma, 21 years of age, of Hatmaudon, sustained grievous injuries and was immediately evacuated by police personnel to the Shillong Civil Hospital for emergency medical intervention. Preliminary inputs indicated that the duo was travelling from the Pomlum side prior to the crash. Police later shifted the body of the deceased for post-mortem examination as part of the ongoing investigation into the accident.